Hey Queens, it's Princess Thee, and today I'm going to show you how to install a lace closure wig. This is the same wig that I styled in my last video, so if you would like to see how I achieved these curls, the link will be listed in my description box. Off camera, I went ahead and washed, blow dried, and trimmed my client's hair, and now I'm just parting it down the middle, and I'm going to proceed to go from the right side to the left side, braiding the hair straight back. Then I'm going to go from the left side to the right side so the braids can connect in the middle. The reason why I like to connect my braids in the middle is because I don't want an over bulky look on the side of the hair, because then sometimes it will make the wig fit improperly. After I'm done with the first braid, I'm going to section for the next braid, and then when I'm halfway finished, I'm going to pull the first braid up to connect them. Connecting the braids this way helps me achieve a very flat install. I went ahead and slowed the video down so you can see exactly how I do it. I tried to pull the first braid up, but it wasn't long enough to connect, so I'm going to braid the second braid down a little bit further, and then I'm going to pull the first braid up and connect them. In order to connect them, I'm going to pull that first braid up and put it with the hair that's resting in between my index finger and my thumb. Then I'm going to continue to braid it down until it's complete. I'm going to continue to do the same exact thing until I get to the middle of her head. A lot of people's hair is much thicker in the center, so I'm going to make those parts a little smaller so the braids don't get bulky. Now that I'm finished braiding the right side of her head, I'm going to move over to the left side and go from left to right, connecting them just like I did before. So when you get to this part, for some reason, I see a lot of people don't know how to connect the two middle braids. So basically, I'm just going to walk you through how I do it. I'm going to go ahead and braid it down to the middle of the head. And once I get to the midpoint, I'm going to pull the left side to the right hand, and I'm going to pull the right side into the left hand, just like this. After I finish braiding my client's hair down, I'm going to spray her hair with a light oil, and then I'm going to bobby pin the last braid up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut that excess lace off in a zigzag motion so that it's undetectable. When I install wigs on clients who prefer to take them on and off every day, I always let them put the wig on by themselves to make sure they know exactly how to put it on. This way, they can recreate the same look when they get home. I usually give them a mirror so they can see exactly where they're putting their wig at, and then I'm just going to take some foam and start to mold the closure down. After I get the foam evenly distributed, I'm going to take my blow dryer and a fine tooth comb and comb it down so that the install is even more flat. Now that that part is finished, I'm going to go through and brush through the curls to make sure that this style fits my client's face. don't know why she was looking so mean, because she's really like the sweetest girl that I ever met, but whatever. Erica, fix your hair. I'll take another shot.
I'm looking. What you want me to do?
And I'm like real life weak that she just made that face like that, but Erica always gonna be Erica. So now I'm just going to finish playing with these curls until I get them exactly how I like them. But this is the final look. I'm completely finished. Let me know how you feel about this look in the comment section. And let me know if you think there's anything that I could have done better or anything that you would like to see in a next video. Thank you for watching.